Mrs. Shobha ma'am.
Good morning everyone, myself Shobha, I'm handling UP. Thank you.
I would like to call upon first standard class teacher, Mrs. Purita ma'am. Good morning everyone. I am Purita T. I am handling first standard. So I am handling the subject of EVS. Science is not so difficult to all of them. It is just the interaction between the word and the people. Thank you. Next, I would like to call upon second standard class teacher, Savita ma'am.
Good morning everybody, I am Savita. I handle English for classes 1 to 6. English